We got a 2013 Ultra Limited 103. It's got Screaming Eagle Stage 1 air cleaner setup. Put a Power Commander 5 on this one. Cobra Power Port duals. It's got the true dual look, but it does have a port. And then Cobra slip-ons. Oil change, tranny, primary, engine, filter, typical tune-up stuff. Put a tune in there, work good with all this stuff, and here's a cold start. These sound a whole lot better on a bike with a bit more cubic inch and an actual good tune in them. They do the trick. They sound pretty good. They got a good growl. We're gonna see how it does on the road. Gotta try out that new tire and stuff anyway. So again, thanks for watching.